Look at Dallas-Fort Worth International. New eyes will soon be watching over passengers and planes. A special drone was just approved for flight at the airport. News 8's Sebastian Robertson has the exclusive look at how it will be used.
At DFW's Founders Plaza, you can see just how low and how powerful these commercial airliners really are.
The last thing that we want to do is have any kind of air collision with anything.
DFW Airport is the 4th busiest airport in the world. They see all types of aircraft. But this year, there's something new. First responders have been cleared to operate drones directly over the airport.
So we spent several hours out here and just running scenarios to see would these things work here as well.
Garrett Brill is a drone pilot with the North Texas UAS response team. Brill, alongside DFW Police and Fire, were able to prove to the FAA and airport operations that drones could make a big difference.
Once we realized, yes, these will work even more ways than we thought they would, then we went into, hey, we need to put together something to show our administrators here.
This video was their proof of concept. Here's footage from a drone that's hovering under 50 feet. Here they use powerful infrared technology that shows the hot spots on an aircraft. And it's not just on the tarmac. Watch a small drone navigate through the terminal, finding what could be a bomb threat. A powerful tool that will be put to use at the first major airport in the country. Officials aren't saying how many drones are in their fleet or what type of aircraft they're operating. But we do know they've been cleared to take off immediately. The message to everybody else with the drone is stay away from the airport. Look at this map. This is airmap.com. It shows you the airspace. That's DFW International Airport. The yellow means don't fly. In the social media center, Sebastian Robertson, Channel 8 News.